We will start with a piece of paper. It should be square. Mine is 10 into 10 centimeters. Make the folds as shown. I will show all the folds again in a closer view. Repeat the steps to make more similar pieces. I've made a total of 20 pieces. The bigger you want your plant to be, the more pieces you will need. I have mixed purple and pink colors. You can take two shades of green or a green and yellow for more of a real plant look. Place them as shown, one behind, one in front, then one behind and then one in front. I have used sheets that are comparatively thicker, so if you use thinner sheets like the glaze paper or the origami paper, it will be easier to handle. Or you can use glue in this step in making these folds, because it does run out of hand, and the more number of pieces you are using, the more difficult it will get to handle. So I have glued it. After putting everything in place, I glued the bottom fold for each of the piece. Using glue will make the next step very easy. This step doesn't essentially require as much effort if you are using thin sheets, but anyways, this is not as difficult. So just take a pencil and curve the sheet a little in the direction that you're going to roll it. I would suggest that you use glue in this step. It is again not necessary but very helpful if you do. You don't have to make a very tight roll, just roll it lightly and in a few places, like two or three in between the roll, randomly fix it with glue. Now using a pencil, curve the leaves in the outward direction. Now the plant part is ready, but to decorate it in a pot, we will need to do one more step. We will use this as our planter. You will just have to place the plant in the planter, but now this planter we are using is very deep. So I want my plant to sit a little on the top edge. So I will take a cardboard strip and I will roll it. Rolling this around the plant helps in two ways. Either if your planter is wide and you can see space around the plant inside your planter, this will look like soil. It will give a better look, and also your plant would move around. You will not have to glue your plant in the planter. You can change planters later. And in this particular case, because my planter is deep, this will give a base and lift the plant above, just like I want it to be. The cardboard strip I took was very wide. I need to trim it a little to give just the right bounce to the plant. You can fix the cardboard strip around the plant either with glue or with tape. You can glue the cardboard to the bottom of the planter, but I'm not gluing it because I might want to change planters later. This looks more like a pineapple, so it gives a really edgy decor look. So I like it this way. There's a video on the channel to how to make this planter also, in case you want to check it out. The link is in the description box. Please subscribe to the channel, guys. If you liked the video, hit the like button and leave your comments. Check out other videos on the channel and do not forget to subscribe.